So today's tutorial is about how to do a press-up correctly. So many of us want to be able to do press-ups, but we really find it difficult to maintain the body shape and to do it correctly. So today I'm going to show you a couple of different styles of press-ups that will help build strength and be able to allow you to do a press-up properly. So the first thing really that you need to be able to do if you can do a press-up well is a plank. So on your forearms here, you're going to try and hold your plank shape. Now we don't want bottoms up and we don't want a bendy back. So in the middle here, keeping the back nice and flat. And you want to be able to hold this for about 10 seconds. Once you can successfully hold a plank, then what you need to be thinking about doing is building and using some of the strength in your arms. If you know at the moment that a plank is difficult for you, work on your plank first. Don't try and go straight into the press up without really building some core strength here. So the next part for your press up is keep the knees on the floor. Walk your hands out to the point when your hips are flat. If your hips are not flat and they're still showing the angle here, that's not far enough. You need to push your hips down so that your bum is flat. Then from here, what you're aiming to do is bend the elbows down and push back up. Now from doing this, you'll feel the muscles in your arms working. You'll feel your biceps and your triceps working. Now try and keep your body flat and straight as you go up and down. The other thing to remember is your breathing. So as you go down, breathe in, and as you go up, breathe out. Breathe in as you go down, and breathe out as you push up. By breathing out as you push up, it will release a surge of energy, which means you'll be able to do the press up more successfully. Once you can do 10 press ups like that, then you can think about extending the legs. So here we want a high plank position. Toes can be touching or just a couple of centimeters apart. So maintaining that body position, no bums in the air, so squeezing down flat and then bending, so we're breathing in here and then breathing out to push up. So breathing in and out, in, out. And that's how you do your press ups.